In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1505N printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. And the moment you have bring it up, all you need to do is you need to proceed with the search bar here at the center. Okay, let me just close the other first. Okay. So here, all you need to do is you need to proceed here at the search bar and type for HP LaserJet P1505N driver. Then hit the enter key in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first result, click on it, and eventually you would be redirected to this page where you can see the HP LaserJet P1505N printer driver. Just choose a different OS if Windows 11 is not detected, automatically detected in your case, set it, and go with update. Okay? Now, once you're good, you need to scroll down on the list. Okay, and please proceed with driver product installation software and click on this down arrow key to expand it and go with this basic drivers. Once you see this, click on this download aligning to it, and once you have clicked on it, please proceed directly to the top right of the screen. You can see there a downloaded file. So click on this one. So here, the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to show it in the folder where it is being located or placed to. All you need to do is you need to make a right click here, okay, and go with the cat icon. And once done, please close the windows being opened. And from here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. Okay. So once you have successfully moved the file or the application here, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or you can simply make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So by that, you just have to use that here, go with extract to. In a few moments, it would be extracted. Kindly wait until this would be done. Okay, and once a new file folder has been created, that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Then this is the time that we will now start the installation. So how we can do so, at the start I can make a right click and then you need to scroll up and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together to open up the settings. Hey, so hey, this in this window, please proceed to the left side of that. You can see a list of options. Please proceed with the Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, you need to proceed with printers and scanners. Click on it, and you can see an option like this where you can add a device. Click on it, and kindly wait until you can get an option where you can manually add your printer driver. Once it's here, please click on it and just choose for other local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. So this part is very important because this is where we gonna choose our printer port. So here you need to ensure that you have selected either of this three USB port, and if you have an HP port then you can use it. Okay, so just select it as your printer port, then click on next once you have set it, and go with have disk and click on the browse. And since our file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there, scroll down, double tap to the extracted file, and it will show you the driver. Click on it and click on open and click on OK. Once done, you need to locate with our printer, which is P1505N. So just have to scroll down. I can see it here. Click on next. Okay, click on next. And it will now start in the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Now once done, click on next. Go with finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed HP LaserJet P1505N printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.